The biggest mango I have ever seen.
This is a mango that I bought on the side of the road. We stopped with my sister and the street vendors that kind of have little stands on the side of the road near the beaches of Panama. They sell fruits and vegetables. They had this ginormous mango, and we just kind of figured out that we can fillet it. I'm gonna try and do it this way. We can fillet it like a fish. Let's see if I can do it. Yep, there we go. I'm gonna do my fish filleting method and see if it works. Kind of. Oh yeah, I don't have a fillet knife with me or a fish fillet knife, but I can. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Wow. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's like filleting a fish. This is quite hilarious. Look at that, guys. It's filleting a fish. But it's a mango. It's so good, you guys. So sweet. I have to feed the videographer too.
Will work for mango.
Yep. Delicious. It's one of the sweetest mangoes I've had ever. The vendor told us that. Ooh. The vendor told us that, but I'd never had this variety or this big of a mango before. It's delicious. Hi foodies, I am now making my yogurt. I've got my little pineapple jars here in Panama. You guys know that I bought an Instant Pot just to make my yogurt while I'm here in Panama. It's totally worth it to have my comfort whole food lifestyle. I was able to find a lot of the products that I use in the United States. I couldn't find Eden soy, but I did find Westlife soy milk, so I've been making my soy yogurt with that. And the array of fruits have been delicious. I'm going to show you what I cut up last night. I did a video of it because it's the biggest mango I've ever seen in my life. Look how orange that is. And it is so sweet. I'm going to put it on top of my yogurt, and it's going to be the fruit of my yogurt. You guys know that I always do berries or bananas. I usually do raspberries and blueberries, and I have those here, but with this gorgeous mango, I'm just going to do mango. And I already had a papaya oatmeal smoothie. So here we go. Look at that. And I'm going to put my granola, which is a little bit different recipe because I used ingredients that I found here in Panama. I found a 6-grain cereal that's completely whole food, nothing in it. I toasted it up. I added my cinnamon, I added my maple syrup and my pumpkin seeds, which I was able to find here in Panama. And that is my granola while I'm here. And my pumpkin seeds add protein to my granola and my soy yogurt. So there you go. Hope you're having a happy day. Look at how orange this mango is. It almost looks like a pumpkin. It's so orange and it's so sweet.